Flying like this bird?
You're not the only one that taught me this.
Oh yeah?
I was at Rachel's house when I was looking at it, Sharon's. She had a swing set, and I used to do this by myself.
Yeah, but I taught you how to do it before you were there, so you learned it first. Remember?
Yes. I'm going fast. Look at the train going.
Uh-huh. So what do you feel like a bird?
Yes.
So we're making a movie. What do you say?
I love you, Mommy.
Mommy loves you too. What else do you say?
I love you. I love you, Swingset.
Okay. And you love coming to the park?
Yeah.
And you know how to fly in the swings?
Yeah.
And it's fun, fun, fun?
Yeah.
All right. How high can you go?
Hi.
Show me high. Whoa! How big are you? Wow-wee!
Can you go this high?
I am making a movie.
Can you go this high on this one?
I don't know if I can go that high. That's pretty high. You're like a bird. You're going all the way up to the sky. You're almost touching the bars up on top.
I can if I was a little bit bigger.
Okay. Okay. Sign off. Love you, Mommy.